second graders, so I figured it was easier to make a video to give you directions than try to adjust my screen and show you in the middle of the lesson. It would be a little awkward. So here's what you need. You need a towel. I just used a bath towel. You can use a beach towel, whatever you want. You need something to make a ramp. So you guys probably have blocks at home. Since Ava and Jackson are older, we don't have blocks. So you need something to prop up. So I'm using this big dice. I'll tell you a story about this later. Oh, here's Marvin. And I'm using a book. I want the ramp to have a smooth surface. I don't want too much friction on the ramp. So I would just set that up. Now you're also going to need a car. You're going to need a tape measure, and I'm hoping that your pets stay out of the way. Unlike mine. Come on, you guys, scoot, scoot, scoot. Come on. And I just have a piece of paper and a pencil. You'll want your science writing packet because you want to write down your results as you go. So I'm going to start with the towel. So I'm going to lay my towel out. Sorry, guys. I had a feeling this might happen. I'm going to lay my towel out. I want to make sure that I spread it out as much as possible. So I'm going to smooth it out. And then I'm going to set up my ramp on my towel. Now, here's the thing. You don't want a bunch of things changing. You only want the towel and the bare floor to be the only things that change. So the way I set up my ramp on the towel, I also have to set it up the same way on the bare floor. So I got my tape measure ready, and I'm going to put my car at the top. Sorry, guys. Bernard is not behaving. Okay, go Bernard. So, a reminder, don't push the car because you can't be sure that your force will be the exact same for each one. So don't push it, just hold it at the top and let it go. Now, we decided we were going to measure in inches from the top of the ramp to the back of the car. So this went 15 inches. So I would write that down, 15 inches. Then I have to do it 2 more times. Again, don't push. Just literally hold it, let it go. And gently and lovingly push your cat out of the way if you were having this. Oops. Oh wow, how funny! 15 inches again. Now, the 3 times you do it, your results should be similar. They're not exactly the same every time. It just worked out that way for me. Okay, again, hold, just let go. This time, 16 inches. Okay, so now I'm gonna move all of this. I'm gonna take my towel and my cat and get them both out of the way. The cat might come back. Bernard, sweetheart, listen, I love you, but could you go? Thank you. Here's the good boy, just watching. Okay, so now I have to set up the same ramp. I want to set it up the same way. Now, it's a little slippery because the bare floor has less friction. So what I'm going to do with one hand is just kind of gently hold that in place. You might have a better ramp than me. Okay. Same thing. Hold, let go. Okay, so now I have to measure from the top of the ramp. My ramp's going to slide. If you have a sibling, see, I only have here. This is a little tricky for me because I only have Stacy here. Stacy's videoing and helping me. So what's the back of the?
71.
71 inches, okay. If you have a sibling or a grown-up or just any person around, and your ramp is annoying like mine and slips, you might want to ask for help. But I think you have blocks, so you probably have the ability to make a better ramp. Okay. Same thing, same ramp, no push. And then, again, I'll measure. Okay, we won't say the measurement out loud, maybe. Oh, I guess we filmed the measurement. Sorry. That's okay. And then I'm gonna do it a third time. I'm not gonna show you the third time. I think you get it by now. But that's what you were going to do today. So you're gonna have to go find whatever space in your home works best, whether it's a kitchen floor or bathroom floor. I will give you a warning, we have a super small bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms in our house and they're both incredibly small. I don't think my bathroom would work because it's just not a big enough space. I don't think most people have bathrooms quite as small as mine. But if your bathroom floor is the only smooth, bare floor in your house, you'll have to use that. But a kitchen floor might be better. You decide, have fun.